Want to make your Canva videos more engaging by adding background music? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add music to your Canva video quickly and easily. First, open Canva and log into your account. From your home page, select the design or video project where you want to add music. If you do not have one yet, click on Create a Design, choose Video, and upload your clips or images. Once your video is ready in the editor, look at the left-hand toolbar and click on the Elements tab and write Music. Here, you will see Canva's music library with a variety of tracks. You can browse by category, mood, or search for a specific keyword. When you find a track you like, click on it once, and it will be added to your video timeline automatically. You can drag the music to adjust when it starts and ends. If the track is longer than your video, you can trim it by clicking on the ends of the audio layer and dragging it. You can also adjust the volume by selecting the audio, clicking the volume icon, and sliding the control to your preferred level. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.